Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If your hair is damaged, your hair is thinning out, your hair is breaking, shedding a lot, or your hair is just not growing, I'm going to show you a very simple DIY hair growth recipe that can help you grow your hair much thicker, fuller, and healthier this 2026. So if you are looking forward to growing your hair this 2026, make sure you are watching this video to the end. This is rosemary herbs. These are the fresh rosemary herbs. Rosemary is great when it comes to hair growth. Rosemary can help prevent hair breakage, hair fall, and hair thinning. It can also help stimulate blood flow in your scalp to help you grow your hair much faster. It is a very powerful natural ingredient that you need to add to your 2026 hair care routine so you can grow your hair much healthier and fuller. And hey, you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. All right, so what I did was I put some rosemary herbs with my sweet almond oil in a blender. I didn't use any specific measurement. Just make sure you add enough of your carrier oil to your natural ingredient before you blend it. You can choose to use olive oil, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, just to name a few. Any plant-based oil that works great with your hair can be used for this DIY recipe. Once I blended everything together, I put it in a fry pan like so. I left it on a stove on a medium heat for about 5 minutes or until the oil is warm to touch. Do not overcook your rosemary herbs and your plant-based oil. Once everything is ready like so, I'm going to transfer it in a bowl and I'm going to leave it sitting on the counter overnight so it can infuse even more. All right, so this is shea butter. Shea butter is a very great moisturizer when it comes to natural hair. It is going to keep your hair moisturized for a long time to prevent hair breakage. And this is Vaseline. Vaseline has been used for so many years for the skin and for other parts of the body. But people do not know Vaseline is also great for the hair. When you put Vaseline and shea butter together, it keeps your hair moisturized for a very long time, and this is how you end up preventing hair breakage. And as you all know, hair breakage is a very serious problem. If you experience hair breakage, it can lead to hair thinning and eventually lead to hair fall and even baldness. So you always want something that will keep your hair moisturized to prevent it from breakage. This is coconut oil. You don't have to add coconut oil. I just love a little bit of it in my hair moisturizer. But coconut oil is also a great oil that can also prevent hair breakage and also add some shine to your hair. I measured about a tablespoon of my shea butter and about half a tablespoon of my Vaseline, and I added about half a tablespoon of my coconut oil. At this point, I'm going to use the double boiler method to melt everything together like so. All right, so once everything is melted together like so, I'm going to grab my rosemary oil and mist everything together. So when it comes to the measurement, I'm not going to add all of the rosemary oil. I added about 2 tablespoons. So what you're going to do is whatever quantity of the melted shea butter, Vaseline, and the coconut oil that you're going to measure together, You are going to measure about 1/3 of the same quantity of rosemary oil and add it to the recipe. So what I mean is it's a kind of a 3:1 ratio. So if you take 3 portions of the melted shea butter, Vaseline, and the coconut oil, you're going to add 1 portion of the rosemary oil. So at this point, I'm going to use a paper towel to trap all the rosemary herbs. You can feel free to use a cheesecloth or anything with tiny holes. This DIY recipe is very easy to prepare, but you need to learn the best way to use it in order to get all the benefits. I'm going to show you the best way to use this DIY recipe and also a few ingredients you might want to add to even maximize its benefits. So this is tea tree essential oil. Tea tree essential oil can treat your scalp from dandruff and other scalp issues. I added about 5 drops of this oil to my DIY recipe. I'm also going to add some Jamaican black castor oil. Jamaican black castor oil can thicken up your hair. It can help you grow back your edges and help you grow much healthier hair. So after adding everything together, I'm going to mix it all together and just look at how beautiful this is already looking. You just made yourself a very powerful herbal hair moisturizer. So after leaving this in the refrigerator, it turns into a solid form. You can use this as your hair moisturizer, your hair cream. It keeps your hair moisturized and leave it moisturized for a long time. It is also going to add some shine to your hair. It is going to stimulate new healthy hair growth and it's going to leave your hair really nice and very healthy. You need to apply this at least 4 times a week or whenever your hair feels dry. You can also use this on your wash day as your hair moisturizer. Let me hear from you in the comment section below if this is something you would love to try at home. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope to see you in my next one.